Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do dual photo editing in Canva, right? As you can see, I have just selected a blank template and here we are going to search for man image in the elements and we are going to explore all the images, right? So for example, I am just selecting this one image, okay, and we are just removing the background and changing the background color to this, and now we are just increasing its size, okay, and now we are just duplicating it, right, and we are just reducing the size of this image, and here we can simply decrease the transparency of the previous image, and here we can simply add our front image, right, and if you want you can simply add gradient as well. In graphics you will find some good gradients. You can also change the color of this gradient, right, to whatever you want, and then you can simply increase the size and then you can simply send it backward, right? So this is how you can simply edit dual pictures in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.